So in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on projections of lines, how to draw this solution for the problem number 43 by using Solid software. The problem reads as problem number 43, a line capital AB 80 mm long is inclined to HP at 30 degrees and inclined to VP at 45 degrees. Draw the front and top views of a line and determine their lengths. Also, measure the perpendicular distance of end capital B from both HP and VP. So to do that, first we'll go for the solid screen, and you just go to sheet setup, click on sheet setup and go to the background sheet, and you make it A4 because previously it will be A2, and show background I don't want, you say OK. Now you just go to view, click on fit. So before actually going for the how to draw this, so first we'll go to the tools and then come down to the IntelliSketch, go to relationship and enable endpoint, intersection and horizontal and vertical, and all other options should be disabled. So once you do that, you just go to line command and you take this distance as 0.05. It will be default, it is at 0.5. You set this line width as 0.05 and then enter. Now first you just go to text now. To go to text, so you just come down to view, come down to zoom area, you just go to home and click on annotation, and you take the Times New Roman and take the font size as 4. And you type the problem number 43. So a line capital AB 80 mm long is inclined to HP at 30 degrees, is inclined to HP at 30 degrees. By holding the Alt key, type 0176 and release the Alt key. 30 degrees to HP and inclined to VP at 45 and inclined to VP at 45. So 0176 and release the Alt key. So draw the front and top views of a line. Now you just go to draw the top and front views of a line. Draw the top and front views of a line and determine their lengths. And determine their lengths. Also measure the perpendicular distance. Also measure the perpendicular distance from distance of NB from both HP and VP. Now once you do that, so you just right click to cancel it, then you come down to view and click on fit now. Now we go for sketching and click on line. Of course you have the line width of 0.05. So set it and you drag any one point and draw a horizontal line of any length. Then by using the pointer element switch on, you just go to line and take any arbitrary point and take the distance as 80, angle is 30, and then draw a horizontal projector, which is from here. You draw a horizontal line. So you just go to disable the on element. Now you draw from here to this line and create the locus. So to do that, I'll just go to line and take endpoint, and you take 80 mm, angle is -45, and then draw a horizontal line. Now to get the line to be extended, you just draw one vertical line and then go to extend to next. So extend to next is always requires the boundary. So that is the reason why I am creating this line, which is the vertical line, because I want to extend this horizontal line as there is no other boundary here, vertical line. So that is the reason why I have created one. Now you just go to the select and you just delete this now. So now you just come down to line, you just just draw a line from end point and draw a vertical line, and then go to trim and trim this till here. And you just go to circle, take end point of this to end point of this. Then go to line, take end point of this to intersection point of this. So just go to trim and you trim this portion and this portion, and you just come down to this erase and you delete this. Similarly, you just go to line and draw a line from end point of this and draw a vertical line, and then just go to trim this line, and similarly you just go to line and take end point, go to circle and take end point of this to end point of this. Then go to trim this side and also this side, and by using the select tool you delete this. Then draw a line from end point of this to end point of this, and then you take end point of this. So when you try to check your problem, you can see that this line will be exactly at 90 degrees. So this is how you will be able to draw the sketch. Now once you do that, now you need to go for the settings now. You just go to this and the front view and top view and change it to 0.5, and similarly this line and this line, it should be 0.25, and this line should be of locus dash dot line, and here the distance is 0.05. Now you just click on this and make this as 0.13. Now you just go to split, so split this line till here and split this line till here. Split this line till here and you split this line till here. Similarly, you split this line till here and you split this line till here. Then just go to line by using the multiple selection. You just select this and you select this and you select this and press delete. Now once you get this, now we go for the dimensioning. So entire thing I can move easily. So you just place it wherever you want. Then to do the dimensioning part, you just go to home and click on dimensioning. Here you come down to annotation, dimensioning style, you come down to dimensions. So here you come down to ISO, click on modify, go to general, make it black like this. Then you come down to text. So the text is, you should have Times New Roman now, and the font size is 4, and then lines and coordinates, you make it the line width as 0.1, and then okay, we'll see it. So then you apply. Now once you go for this, you just go for dimensioning. So to do that, you come down to distance between, here you take between the end point of this to end point of this. So you will just get the nominal, you take this as 80. Now we need to do the angular dimensions. So you just come down to angular between these two, which is 30 degrees, and again he says, again you says between these two, you're going to get it as 45. Now we need to type the notations now. So to do that, you just go to sketching, come down to home, click on annotation, and you identify. You mark this as X and you mark this as Y. Of course, all are capital letters, VP, and this is HP, and this is capital A in capitals, and this is also capital A. And then here you have A dash, and here you have A, and then we have B1 dash. So you have B1 dash, you have capital B, and this will going to be locus of B. And and similarly here B, all are capitals. Locus of B. Once you do that, next what you should do now, I want to show the notations. A dash, B1 dash, B1, okay. Now to do that, A dash is already there, B1 dash is already there, and then you have A, and this you should have B2. So once you get that, you will going to get it as B2 dash, and you will going to get it as B1 dash, so it will be B1, and then come down to the locus of B now. So once you know that, you just come down to view and bring down to zooms area, and now you just go to home and come down to sketching and come down to move. Without copying, you just move this. This is X and this is VP and this is HP. So this is A and this is A dash and this is A now. Similarly, this is A and this is capital A. You take B1 dash, this will be the locus of B, and here you just come down to home and type A1 dash, B dash now. Sorry. Look, here you just come down to B dash. Now you just come down to sketch, come down to move, you click A dash, A, B dash, then B1 dash, this is B, and this is locus of B now. And this is why this is B1 and this is B2 dash. Okay, now you just move in and go to fit. You come down to fit and then come down to zoom area, and here this sketching come down to move. Now you will go to have B1 and this is B and this is B2 and this is locus of B and this is capital B. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem by using the Solidity software. But he wants to say what is front end and determine the length. So you want to find out what should be the length of the front view. The length of the front view is 56.57. So to do that, you come down to sketch, you type 56.57 and write mm. So you just select this 56.57. Similarly, you select this, you are going to get it as 69.28. Then come down to 69.28. Yeah, ma'am. Now we want to check what is B1 dash B1. So to do that, you just come down to this. You are going to get it as 40.00, which is exactly the same as what we have got 40.00 here. So what is that? So here you come down to home. So here go to text and you type 40.00 odd 0176 degrees single. By holding the alt key 0176 you type 40 degrees. Then you have the next one, which will be, it is 40.00 mm, because it is the distance between B1 dash and B1. Now similarly, you want to check what is the distance between these two. It will be 56.57. So that is what you are going to get, 56.57 mm. So here you just come down to this and go to home. You just go to text 56.57 mm. So that is the one which you want. This is B2 dash, so you want this, which will be 56.57 mm. So now you just come down to this and remove it. So now we will go to copy the same thing because it is already here. You just go to copy enable, you take this and you copy this. Now once you do that, so now we have the view and go to zoom area. Now you type home, come down to this, here you type A dash, B dash, and here it is AB, and this is B1 dash, B1, and this is B2, B2 dash. Now you just go to home, click home and move copying. You just 56.57, you take AB, which is 69.28, and this is B1 dash, B1, and which is of 40 mm length, and this is B2 dash, and this is of 56.57 mm. Once you do that, so you just come down to line, draw a horizontal line, and this, and then you come down to this, and you come down to this, and go to trim corner between these two, and then go to annotation, that is text, and here you type answers. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem. And you finally, I want to check again. So you just come down to home. I want A dash, B dash should be 56.57. It is there. Then the top view length is 69.28. You can say 69.28. B1 dash, it is 40.00. And here this should be 56.57 mm. So this is how you will be able to solve this particular problem. Now we need to go for the leader. You just enable this pointer element and then go to the leader option. So you come down to leader. You just project this point here, and then from here you take this. Similarly from this side and also from this side. And finally you just go to view and come down to fit. And when you are trying to check this with this sketch, you have B2 dash is 56.57. So B2 dash is 56.57, and this will be B1 dash, it is 40.00. So you have 40.00. So this is how you will be able to solve this particular problem by using the sketchbook. Thank you.